Hey guys, Izzy here. In my first video I said I was going to do a segment on thrombocytopenia. If you haven't had a chance to look at my first video yet, there will be a link in the description box below. So let's get started. What is thrombocytopenia? It's the deficiency of blood platelets. It leads to bleeding into the tissues, easily bruising, and slow blood clotting after injury. The normal platelet range is 450 to 150,000. You are at risk for serious bleeding if you get below 20,000 blood platelets. Now this condition usually affects humans, but it can also affect cats and dogs. Causes of thrombocytopenia include immune disorders, infections such as HIV and hepatitis C, cancers such as leukemia and lymphoma, certain medication side effects, chemotherapy, bone marrow issues, deficiencies in vitamin B12 and/or B9, enlarged spleen, some forms of anemia, certain bacterial infections that involve the blood, heavy alcohol consumption, certain rare disorders such as hemolytic uremic syndrome and TTP, and in some cases pregnancy, although in the case of pregnancy it is usually mild and does not last long. Symptoms of thrombocytopenia include bleeding from the gums and nose, red small spots on the skin called petechia, blood in the urine and stools, blotches and bruising, enlarged spleen, jaundice, fatigue, and unusually heavy menstruation. In the case of mild thrombocytopenia, sometimes no symptoms are present at all. Tests for thrombocytopenia include a CBC, which is a complete blood count, a blood smear, and a bone marrow test. As far as treatments go, there are medications, surgery for removal of the spleen, blood and platelet transfusions, and plasma exchanges. In the cases of mild thrombocytopenia, it may be that no treatment is required and the condition will just clear up on its own. If you suspect that yourself or a loved one may have thrombocytopenia, then you should consult your physician. I will include some links in the description box below to helpful resources for understanding the disease even further. I hope this video was helpful to you, and please join me in my next video, Most Dangerous Foods for Cats and Dogs. Until next time.